The sound arrives first, a deep, resonant hum vibrating through the earth. Then you see it, a colossal curtain of white water plunging into mist. This is Niagara Falls, a spectacle of raw nature, a true world wonder. The scale is almost beyond comprehension. Vast rivers of water converge, drawn from North America's Great Lakes. They leap into the void, creating a display of immense power. It has humbled onlookers for centuries. Mist rises like ethereal spirits, dancing and swirling in the air. Catching sunlight, it forms rainbows, a promise of beauty amidst chaos. The air itself feels charged, heavy with moisture and energy. An immersive experience for all senses. A living monument to nature's enduring strength. It tells a story millions of years old. Niagara is not a single entity. It is a family of 3 waterfalls, each with its own unique character. Together they form this celebrated marvel. The largest is Horseshoe Falls. Its magnificent curve dominates, mostly on the Canadian side, a true behemoth of rushing water. Horseshoe Falls carries most of the Niagara River flow, about 90% in fact. Its wide crest stretches far, water thundering over with incredible force, creating a cauldron of churning white water. The sound here is almost deafening, a constant, powerful roar. To its side in America lie the American Falls. Straighter, more statuesque in form, it presents a different kind of beauty, a sheer drop framed by boulders. Each contributes to the majesty, and together, they create an unforgettable symphony of water. The volume of water is astounding. Every second, an immense quantity cascades. Over 3,160 tons of water flows. This incredible torrent originates from a vast system, the 5 Great Lakes of North America, holding 1/5 of Earth's fresh surface water. Lake Erie is the primary feeder. Its waters spill into the Niagara River, a short yet powerful waterway. This river then races towards its destiny. The Niagara Escarpment creates the drop. This geological feature is absolutely key, formed by eons of erosion, a testament to slow, persistent natural processes shaping our world. The power generated is visually immense and physically too. Falling water has enormous kinetic energy. This energy has been harnessed by humankind. Hydroelectric power stations on both sides, tapping this natural force for clean electricity, powering cities and industries far and wide. Nature's subtle artistry. Section 4. Venturing into the heart of the roar, unforgettable encounters. To truly appreciate Niagara, you have to get close. Feel the spray, hear its thunder, the Maid of the Mist boat tour for instance. For generations these vessels have journeyed, braving the turbulent waters near the fall's foot. It is an adventure into the storm's heart, an encounter with raw elemental force. Donning a blue poncho, visitors board the boat. As it chugs towards the water wall, the air grows thick with rising mist. The sound becomes an all-encompassing roar. Looking up at the cascade humbles you. Water surrounds, drenching all in an exhilarating, unforgettable natural baptism. Another remarkable perspective awaits. Journey behind the falls offers its own thrills. Elevators descend deep into the bedrock, and tunnels lead to portals behind the Horseshoe Falls. Here, one stands in utter awe, watching the vast water crash down just meters from your very eyes. The sound in these tunnels is visceral, a deep shuddering vibration felt within. Witnessing immense power from this spot, you understand nature's profound forces deeply. Section 5. The ever-expanding vista discoveries beyond the water's edge. Niagara's allure extends beyond the falls. Both sides offer many attractions. Parks and gardens provide serene escapes. The Niagara Park's botanical gardens and the Butterfly Conservatory delight with vibrant floral displays and butterflies fluttering about. Nature's delicate side is shown here, a peaceful contrast to the roaring waters. For panoramic views, towers abound. The Skylon Tower in Canada offers this, giving a bird's-eye perspective. Revolving restaurants provide unique dining experiences with an ever-changing scenic backdrop. Prospect Point Park on the U.S. side gives stunning vistas of the American Falls. The Niagara Glen Nature Reserve invites exploration. trails wind through ancient forests, leading down into the Niagara Gorge. Here you can witness the powerful whirlpool, a natural wonder formed by the river's force. Beyond nature, entertainment options flourish. Casinos, theme parks, and vibrant nightlife cater to many diverse tastes. The region also boasts renowned wine country, offering tours and delightful tastings. Section 6 echoes through the gorge history, heritage, and human endeavor. Before Europeans arrived, Niagara was sacred. Indigenous peoples like the Iroquois revered it. Ongara, meaning thunder of waters, was a site of spiritual significance, a powerful symbol in their culture. Their stories are woven into this land, an ancient, deep connection to this place. Explorers brought new perspectives. Father Hennepin documented the falls in 1678. His writings brought Niagara to the world, igniting a fascination that continues to this day. The falls became a symbol of the New World's untamed beauty and its immense raw potential, inspiring artists, writers, and dreamers for generations. The late 19th and early 20th century saw a different, daring drama, the era of the daredevils. Seeking fame by conquering these falls, Annie Edson Taylor was the first to go over in a barrel. Beyond spectacle, Niagara gave power. Visionaries like Tesla pioneered hydroelectric power, harnessing the falls' energy for cities. Section 7. An invitation to wonder your own Niagara story. Planning to visit this wonder? Consider the seasons. Summer offers warm weather and full falls, while spring and autumn bring fewer crowds and beautiful foliage. Winter transforms Niagara into an icy spectacle, though some attractions may limit access. Each season paints the falls differently, so choose what suits you best. Essential gear includes comfortable walking shoes, as there is much to explore on foot. Waterproof outerwear is highly recommended, especially for the Maid of the Mist, or near the base of the falls. A camera, of course, is vital to capture the scenery and your memories. Be prepared for the constant, refreshing mist. It is part of the charm. For details, consult tourism sites like Niagara Falls, USA and Niagara Parks, Canada. Booking tours early is wise, especially during peak tourist seasons. Niagara Falls is more than a destination. It is an experience resonating deep within, a reminder of Earth's beauty and power. Let Niagara write its story upon your heart, an indelible mark,